All right, welcome back. I'm Brandon with Rockland Heating and Air. Today we're out in Lincoln, California, upgrading and changing out this builder grade system with the new Trane single stage system here. You can see this one's about 20 years old here. It's rusted out on the top. The insulation's coming undone. Everything's just pretty old and outdated. We're gonna go ahead and start this system up. We're gonna take a decibel reading and see how noisy this one is and compare it to our new system when we get to that point of starting up the new system and having it running. So let's take a look and see what this one sounds like. As you can see, this one is extremely noisy here. Upgrading it and changing it out with something newer and quieter is going to make a huge difference for the homeowners and their neighbors here. All right, we got our air conditioner running. As you can tell, you can hear me now as I speak. This system's up and running. We're going to check the decibel rating and see where we're at with the new one. Right around 70 decibels, that's 10 decibels quieter here. This is much more like your dishwasher running as opposed to 80 decibels being like a police siren. Much quieter here. The homeowners are going to be much happier. The neighbors will be much happier as well too.